Looking for a unique gift this holiday season? Let me introduce you to something truly special. On the Balia.store website, you'll find over 200 watch options for men and women. Whether it's wooden, leather, or mesh watches, Balia offers models to suit every taste and style. The site even provides a real-time preview of your customization. You can personalize the dial or opt for a complete dial plus box set. You also have the option to engrave the Balia brand or keep the watch without a logo for a more minimalist look. Here's the watch I received, along with its complimentary wooden box. The set also includes a toolkit to adjust the links, and it was all delivered in just 8 days. 5 days for manufacturing and 3 days for delivery. A small detail, the toolkit is made of hard plastic, but it's very practical for adjusting the watch to fit your wrist perfectly. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Balia.store to find the perfect gift for the holidays and offer an exceptional piece of craftsmanship.